Calee.
And I'm Steven.
And we're taking a road trip around Jamaica.
This time with baby Nyla. Come with us!
Hello, good evening. Welcome to Sunset Jamaica Grand. I am Calee and I'll be assisting you with your check-in.
We are at the Sunset. Which one is it?
Sunset Jamaica Grand. So you can go ahead and tick that one. I'm just going to go ahead and put the wristbands on for the hotel. And this is what we use to identify that you're a guest staying with us here on property. Can I have your left hand, please? Sure. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's what works. Thank you.
And then turn me. So it's through the double doors, the elevators to your left, and then you go to the 11th floor and you have your 2 keys inside.
So we have a view then?
Yes, you have a view. It's an oceanfront view of the property.
Thank you so much, Calee.
Thanks, Calee.
All right.
Okay.
Green light. We're in. Oh wow.
Oh wow, look at this.
Oh, we have the most perfect view of the bay. This must be the most perfect view
Of the ocean.
Oh my goodness, and the pool and the entire resort.
Let's check this out.
The airport?
Fleming Airport.
He's the guy who wrote the James Bond books.
Yeah, Mr. James Bond himself.
Aren't you proud of me for knowing that?
Yeah, very proud of you. I think you only know that because it was on our itinerary to go to James Bond Beach. Oh, this is nice though. I bet you this is how he flew in. He probably flew in on private jets and just decided to have his own airport built next to his beach. I mean, I'm just guessing.
I think it's here, honey.
Right, right, no, right, right.
Right.
Go this way.
Where's the map? I think it's right up here.
I don't need a map.
Yeah, sure.
My man intuition. We don't need to ask anybody.
All right, let's see. See if you know what you're talking about.
I'll just find my way.
Okay.
You know, when you think about paradise, you think about roads like this.
Wow.
What's this? Oh, this looks like his grave.
Oh, so honey, the grave of Sir Noel Coward.
This is, I mean, if you can't think of a better place to be buried, I mean, I wish he was alive to see the view.
No,
but...
unbelievable. How about we give him a 1 second moment of silence in respect of his life?
Absolutely. Died the 26th March 1973. Born. Oh, that's not silence.
The second's over.
Okay. 2 seconds. Okay, let's enjoy the view. The view is a little more alive.
You should stop smoking, you're a little bit old.
Excuse me, we're trying to enjoy the view here.
Oh, Granddad. Mr. Coward!
Mr. Coward!
Don't be a coward!
I guess nobody's home. This looks like the master suite. Look at this bed.
Oh, look at these. Oh, look, those are the inside of watches. Isn't that kind of creative?
Oh, that is cool.
It's like bits and pieces of watches.
Old back scratcher.
Aww.
I wonder if that was I wonder what else he used to use that for.
Hey, look at all these. Are these pictures of him? The play pictorial.
Oh yeah, because
he was an actor.
Yeah, well, he was in plays, apparently. And he was
a lot of them too, because look at this stack.
So apparently, I guess,
yeah.
This was kind of like an entertainment house, right? He used to, well, he resided here a short part of the time. But he would have wild parties up here, supposedly with Errol Flynn and Ian Fleming and Princess Margaret. He was like,
check this out.
you know, he was like the party promoter of his day. Look at this.
Oh wow.
That's wow, that's him in his day. He's sitting right here, enjoying the view. Well, actually, not really. He's looking at something over there. Let's see, a reenactment of Mr. Noel Coward. Right. That look authentic? Do I look like him?
Only you do. You're just missing a cigarette, and that's all.
Excuse me, sir. I'm ready for my dinner.
Check this out.
What's this? Oh wow, this is
This is some more of his plays. Look at
like
this room, isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
With the fireplace.
Oh, look at this. There's just like scraps of plays and music. I wonder if he played the piano.
Look at this. An old.
Oh, that is awesome. Oh no, it doesn't have a needle. Or does it? No, it doesn't have a needle.
Here I found the Noel Coward songbook. Let's see.
If you sit there
Alright.
and I'm here
And I'll sing the words. You play. Can you pretend to play?
and right? And they're dueling pianos and singing and practicing for their plays. Can you think of like a better place in all of the world
To write and play?
to write a play and
Enjoy.
practice your musicals?
No.
Still you may see your names on posters, pain. Alright, keep going. We're in the musical.
This is so fun. This is awesome. I just, you know. And the Queen Mother came to lunch here. Firefly looks no different today than it did on Sunday, February 28 in 1965.
The day Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother, came to lunch.
Right. She is pictured above with 3 of Noel's other guests, Lynn and Alfred Lunt, the closest of all his American friends whom he met on his first visit to New York in 1921.
And for whom he was to write Design for Living, among other plays, Noel's close neighbor, Blanche Blackwell.
Sir Noel's own painting of Port Maria, Sortie de l'Église, is owned by Her Majesty the Queen Mother.